Hey there, and welcome back to a new episode here at PropCoach with your real estate coach, Taco. So, today we're going to talk about, money. Who doesn't love money, right? But before we do that, have you subscribed to Pure yet? PropCoach, University of Real Estate, because you will find so many videos either also about money, but also about sales, about marketing, about lead generation, everything you need to know to become a top real estate professional. So make sure we will put the link below to subscribe to Pure. Let's talk about money a little bit, because this is all going to be about how do real estate professionals actually manage their money. If you do well, get some commission checks over time, right? And I hope you get a lot of checks, right? Checks with a lot of S's at the end. Because the more checks you get, the more, of course, earning in money. You're not making money, you're earning money. You're not allowed to make money, only the bank makes money. But okay, the more money you earn, the more you have to start thinking about managing this money. Now, there's two types of agents. Agent number one, when he gets in a commission check, that goes straight to his personal account. Obviously, you would want to have that money as soon as possible because you want to start spending it, right? You need to spend it on whatever you want to spend it on. But at the end of the day, you also are not being very smart about that. Why? Because that is to your personal account, so you're paying loads of taxes on that. Because it's personal money, it's personal income, so you have to pay income tax on that. So, first of all, maybe on behalf of the country, I would just like to thank you for paying so much tax. But you want to be smarter about it, right? So that brings me to the second group of agents. When they get a commission check, it doesn't go to a personal account, it goes to a business account. Yes, they have incorporated themselves as a business. And that is really the two differences between an average agent and a professional agent, that the average agent treats his real estate profession as a job. But the real pros out there, they treat their real estate career as a business. They treat it as a business, not only from the perspective of how they dress and how they talk and how they walk, but also how they manage their money. So let's go through this for a little while. You get a commission check that goes into your business account. And from that business account, you basically have three main accounts that you need to manage. So from business accounts, you have money has to go to tax, money has to go for business expenses, and some of this money has to go back to you because you also have to live. Now, we have done a lot of work with real estate agents. I've been a real estate agent myself. The numbers are a little bit different for everybody, but I can give you a little bit the pattern. How does this work? So let's say for every $10,000 you get in, about 30% of that will go to taxes. Yes, you have to pay the tax authorities anyway. It's the law. I pay taxes, you pay taxes, we have to do it. So we might as well, for every check that we get in, we just separate that amount into a different account so we make sure we always have that money ready. Yes, you don't want to be late and you definitely don't want to not pay it. Then you really get into a lot of trouble. So get that money in, separate it. So the first 30%. Then the other 50%, where do you put it? You put it into your business account. Yes, because that's where you start spending on your business. Marketing expenses, travel expenses, technology expenses, all the expenses that you want to do to run your business. Usually, I would take 50%. For every check you get in, you just put 50% on those business expenses. Of course, if you don't need the 50, you can lower it up a little bit, but 50% I think is a really good number. That leaves you with another 20%. That 20% goes to you. That is your, let's call it your home expense, or your personal expense, or your, whoever you want to pay out as a salary. That is your salary, and that is really the money that you can send to your personal account, and that is what you start living on. So the more checks that you make, of course, the more those percentages grow. And eventually, every time that you look at it, okay, I paid my taxes, I have money in my business expenses, and I have money to pay myself. And that is really what the pros do, because that is how they start thinking and really start scaling that money game into larger proportions. Now, I really hope that this makes sense to you. If you have questions about this, feel free to ask any questions in the comment box below, because I want you to really be successful. And that means you have to do great marketing, you have to do great sales, but you also have to do great money management. Yes? Really hope you enjoyed the session today. Hey, let us know if you want us to talk a little bit more about finances and money management and real estate, because then we will do more of these videos here at PropCoach. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget that one, because we have so many more videos coming. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.